students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing wonder. I am Rashmi, again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi. So, we are again continuing with the same topic. How can we find out the square root? But this time we will be looking to the case 2 problem in which the question is not exactly into this format. A plus square root, we have to find out of A plus minus 2 root over B. So actual condition is this type of a plus minus 2 root over b. Somehow whatever the given problem we have to convert it into this way, right? After converting it into this way, then only we will be able to do it, simplify it furthermore. But here we don't have that type of problem. So what we will be doing, we will be trying to convert it into this way. For that we all know square root के बाहर अगर 2 है, that means these 2 will become 4 inside the square root. If suppose we do not have 2 outside the square root near this b, square root of b outside we have 2, but in this case we do not have any 2 over here. So what can be done here? We can simply check what is there inside. So 32 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 8s are 32. And we know one pair of same number can easily represent single number outside the square root. So 6 plus 2 root 8, right? 6 plus 2 root 8. Now this question is exactly converted into the same format as we did in one of the session, a plus minus 2 root over b. So this b can be split into this way so that the product is again b and the sum or difference should be the value of a. So 1 multiplied by 8 is one of the way, 2 multiplied by 4 is one of the way. So of course this will be the correct one for which we were looking. So this root over 6 plus 2 root over 8 can be written as root 4 plus root 2. And further this root 4 can be written as 2 plus root 2. Root 4, which is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square. So this can be written as 2 plus root 2. So this will be the final answer. Okay. Let's move to the next example in which we simply have to get the value for 4 plus root 15. Square root of 4 plus root 15. Now in this case, actually we can't write this 15. Means we do not have any 4 inside the square root which can be written outside this. Outside this b value, root b, we can't write any 2 over here. So to balance it out, we all know if we want any 2 over here, so this can't be written alone, 2 can't be written. We have to balance it out by writing 2 into the denominator also. So we simply have to try to get it into the same format, a plus 2 root over b. And for that, what we will be doing? Square root of 4 plus, we will be multiplying it by 2 and dividing also by 2. Root over 15, right? Now we can take the LCM here of the first term and the second term, which gives us 4 2s are 8 plus 2 root 15 upon 2, right? We can write it into this way. Now this upon 2, I am writing it outside because we only have to simplify this. We have to find the square root of root 8 plus 2 root 15. Now 15 can be written as 5 3s are 15 and 5 plus 3 8. 1 multiplied by 15 is also 15, but 1 plus 15 is not giving us 8. First term we are not getting. So 5 plus 3 we get it as 8, which can be written as root 5 plus root 3. So root 5 plus root 3, 1 upon root 2, which is already outside. Here we have. So 1 upon root 2 square root of root 4 plus root 15 is going to be root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 2. Okay, like this we have to simplify. I hope it's easy to understand. Let's move to the last example in which we have to find out the square root of 7 plus 4 root 3. So we actually want to convert it into this way, a plus 2 root b. But instead of having 2, we already have 4 here, right? We don't have 2, we have extra 2. So that can be easily written into this way, 7 plus. Now 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2. One of the two we can easily send it inside the square root. because square root से बाहर लेकर आ सकते पेयर बना के. So again we can make the pair and send it into the square root, in square root. So one of the two we will be keeping outside just to have this type of structure, and this 2 can be written inside the square root as 4, because this 4 we can write it as 2 multiplied by 2, and this 2 multiplied by 2 represents a single pair which can be sent again outside the square root. So 4, and already it had 3 inside the square root. So this gives me 7 plus, we already split this 12. 12 it was. So 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12 only. And the sum of 4 and 3 we are getting here 7. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Right? So root 4 plus root 3 is going to be the answer for square root of 7 plus 4 root 3. Root 4 can be further written as 2 plus root 3, right? Like this, we can simplify. So please simplify many more problems, same type of, and put your answer in the comment box. Okay.